Yo, the contents of this box. I'm so excited to unopen this right here. Unbox it, as people will. Yo, it's your boy Conrad. How you guys doing today? So today, as you guys can see, we got a new box. Let's go ahead and unbox it and everything. I haven't opened it and everything. I saved it for you guys. Let's go ahead and see what's in the box. So this box is actually from CBS Racing, as you can see right here. They're from, I believe, the Netherlands. So the guy that I talked to, he's from the company's based out of the Netherlands, and yeah, they're really nice people. Let's see. Ooh, I'm so excited. It's a bunch of packaging. You can tell they're packaged really good. Let's see, what is this? Genuine Toyota parts. Alright. How does this work? Let's see, first look. Yo, these are clean as fuck. Holy crap. They are so clean. They're the S2 taillights. They are clean. Holy crap. Let's compare the two real quick. So here's, so I don't know if you can see that it's like they're gray. They have the gray housing inside, and it goes, they're just so much. So I don't know if you guys can see the gray housing in there, and then these are black housing. They just look a lot older. These are just way nicer, and these are freaking, they're amazing. Holy crap. So they also came with the harnesses. They usually never come with the harnesses. You usually have to buy these separate, but they hooked it up, and these come with the harnesses. And let's go ahead and pull this other one out, and then side by side comparison. Here's the other side. These things are so clean. Look how clean that. Oh, I don't know if you can see that in the light. Let's see if I can get a better lighting for you guys. They're so nice. They look so good. Alright. So, let's go ahead and I'll show you guys how to take these off and how to swap everything out. And let's see the comparison. Let's go. It's going to be these little screws right there. Just right there. We're going to take all these out right there. And then it'll just, this whole thing will come out. Alright, once all those clips are out, all we gotta do is come up, and this whole beautiful thing comes out. Let's put that aside. Oh, shoot. Alright, my guys. So, the connections are right here, and connection right here for both of them. And then they just come out. They have two screws right there, right there, right there, and right there. And then they just pop out with the little grommets out. Easy peasy. There's a grommet right here. You just gotta push out from the inside, and they just come right out. These are the part numbers if anyone is really interested in. There, if anyone's interested. I don't know if that's backwards or not, but if anyone's interested, those are the part number for that. So you know what's funny, out of just being so excited, I did not realize that they're different bulbs, which is probably common sense to a lot of you guys, but not to me. So as you can see, this bulb, and then this is the older style. They're they're different connections. So the older style, bulbs won't fit in the newer style, and the harness doesn't fit. They're different. They're way different. So I'm gonna go ahead and have to run to the store tomorrow and connect the bulbs and see if they have any bulbs for this type of wire. But I mean, we can probably mock it up real quick and see what it looks like. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, the glare. That looks so good. That clear looks so amazing. What do you guys think? Probably look the same honestly on camera, but you can honestly tell these are gray, these are black, and they just look cleaner, more updated. They're brand new, as I said, so like, look how clean these are compared to dusty these boys are. Those things are dusty. I'm sure they could be like cleaned out and everything, but honestly, I don't care. I'll probably end up selling these boys and just keeping the new ones. Man, I tell you, she's looking good. She's looking super fine. Oof. Let me give you guys a little bit of a sneak peek. Almost coming. What's coming up? Ooh. That's all you guys get. That's all you guys get. I'm sure you guys know what it is, but it's coming up. It's coming up. Stay tuned for the next video. Subscribe. I also noticed that a bunch of you guys are not subscribed. You guys watch my videos, but you guys aren't subscribed. So go ahead and subscribe to your boy. You know what I'm saying? If you guys want to keep in contact with your boy, you know, add me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr. I'm just kidding. It's great. All right, fast forward tomorrow because we still need to get those bulbs. So let's go ahead and get those bulbs, and then I'll show you guys what they look like, all lit up and all good to go. Yo, what's up? So it's the next day, and we got everything. We got all the bulbs and everything, but it is raining outside. So today we are in this my little shop. A workshop, as you will, you know. So we're gonna go ahead and set up the bulbs, everything, so we can just put it in the car. I'll show you guys everything on how it goes. I'm figuring it out myself. So let's get right into it. Look at that. Look at that. That's the newer ones and then the old nasty ones. I think these look so good. They're ready to go on the car. Let's go ahead and put them on the car. Everything is good. Let's go ahead and see if it all works. I'm gonna press all the things. You guys let me know if it works. I didn't put the reverse lights on, but as you can see, they work. They look freaking amazing. They look great on the gray, for sure. If this freaking glare would get out of my freaking way, man. They just look amazing. I love these things. The glare, my guy, how shiny they are. They looked amazing. So thank you guys again for watching. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you guys aren't subscribed already. Next time we're gonna do that lip, so stay tuned. You guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys in the next one. A little cold start for the boys. Great too. I'll see you guys next time.